Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Ton from Ton Does Linux and More. Today we're diving into an exciting topic that especially interests tech enthusiasts and cybersecurity professionals alike. The top 5 best Linux distributions for hacking. Linux has long been a favorite among hackers, not only for its open source nature, but also for its powerful command line tools and versatility. Let's explore these top distros that can elevate your hacking game. First on our list is Kali Linux, a legendary choice for security professionals. Known for its extensive suite of pre-installed penetration testing tools, Kali comes equipped with over 600 tools tailored for various information security tasks, including penetration testing, security research, and digital forensics. One of the standout features of Kali is its live boot capability, allowing you to run the OS from a USB drive without installation. To get started with Kali, simply download the ISO from the official Kali Linux website, create a bootable USB with a tool like Rufus, and you're ready to go. If you're keen on trying out some hacking, you might want to focus on using tools like Nmap for network scanning or Metasploit for exploiting vulnerabilities. Next up is Parrot Security OS, a robust alternative to Kali Linux. Parrot combines security testing with an open-source development environment. It's lighter on system resources, making it an excellent choice for users with modest hardware specifications. Parrot also emphasizes privacy and anonymity, featuring tools for secure communication and data protection. After installing Parrot, you can take advantage of its integrated tools like AnonSurf for hiding your IP address while browsing, or the Metasploit framework for developing and executing exploit code against a remote target. This allows ethical hackers to maintain anonymity while conducting tests. Third on our list is Backbox, which offers a user-friendly interface with a focus on providing an organized framework for ethical hacking. Its sleek aesthetic lends itself well to users who prefer a simple yet powerful environment. Backbox is loaded with tools for network analysis, vulnerability assessment, and web application testing. For example, after installation, you can easily run commands from the terminal, such as Backbox update, to ensure your repositories are up to date. This distro is particularly favored for its speed and efficiency, making it an excellent choice for newcomers to the cybersecurity field. Moving along, we can't overlook BlackArch, a penetration testing distribution based on Arch Linux. With thousands of tools at your disposal, BlackArch is more than just powerful, it's incredibly versatile. One of its distinguishing features is the ability to install and remove tools individually or as a whole, providing a customizable experience tailored to individual needs. Users can install BlackArch alongside an existing Arch installation or on its own. To install a tool, you could simply run the command pacman-s-toolname. This flexibility makes BlackArch a favorite among more advanced users looking for comprehensive penetration testing capabilities. Lastly, we have Tails, which stands apart by prioritizing security and anonymity. Tails is designed to be used as a live operating system, and it routes internet connections through the Tor network, ensuring that your online activities remain private. This operating system is particularly useful for journalists, activists, or anyone who wishes to protect their identity. Tails comes pre-installed with privacy-focused applications and is designed specifically to leave no trace on the host machine. When you need to start browsing safely and securely, booting Tails from a USB can be accomplished with your dedicated USB drive, and with the command Tails force Tor, users can enter the anonymity realm. In conclusion, these 5 Linux distributions, Kali Linux, Parrot Security OS, Backbox, BlackArch, and Tails, each serve unique purposes catering to various aspects of hacking, pen testing, and online safety. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, there's a Linux distro that can help amplify your hacking skills. Try them out, explore their tools, and see what works best for your hacking endeavors. Thank you for tuning in. This has been Ton from Ton Does Linux and More. Happy hacking!